Here we go, guys. This is number 8. 325. We started tonight at 10, but we've gone through. This will be our 8th box. 9 counting the baseball. We got Ryan S., Chris A., Brandon S., Travis M., Ben J., Eddie M., Nita, and we'll go to the other side. Richard P., Jared S., Nita, and Josh, and John again. Make sure that's not the same dang thing. Oh, it's not. Good. All right. Here's the next box right on top. And it's 3408. Let's see. We're still waiting on some hits, I believe. All right. All right. First pack here, we got Greg Jennings, Ray Rice, Cedric Benson, Jared Allen, and Old School Roger Staubach. Heritage Collection for the Cowboys. It's going to be Josh again. He's on a tear again. 119 at 249. We got Wes Welker, Aaron Rodgers, Larry Fitz, Jermaine Grisham, and Alex Green, Certified Future. Big old jersey. 199 out of 499. Going to the Packers, that's going to be Ben J. All right. Okay. LeGarrette Blount, Joey Dye, Kenny Britt, and Stevie Smith, and Frankleton Gore. Piece of the game. 129 out of 149. And next, we got Sidney Rice, Ahmad Bradshaw, Carson Palmer, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, and Delone Carter. I was going to say Joey Dye. Certified Future. They put a lot of these in here. 124 out of 499 going to the Colts. All right. Well, that's a good sign. All right. Drew Brees, Maurice Jones-Drew, London Fletcher, Anquan Bolden, and Matthew Castle. I saw QB on the bottom right, and I was like, yes. But it's Matt Castle for the Chiefs. Nonetheless, nice hit there for the Chiefs. 54 out of 249. Last pack in this box. And then we just have redemption. Frank Gore, Darius Hayward-Bay, Jimmy Graham. Got another one of these cool Cam Newtons. Rookie of the Year, Cam Newton. Totally certified. So they made a promo of the actual card. Okay. Then we have Freshman Phenom Signatures Blue. Did we get the other hit? What was the big hit? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only one auto. We got shorted another auto. I'll have to make a phone call actually to Panini. So 153. I can't give away 2 free boxes. I apologize, guys. I'm gonna have to contact them, get them to send it in. So that's Akeem Ayers going to the Titans. They're not shorting us hits, but they're shorting us the type of hits. So I will, like I said, guys, I'm going to call Panini. I'm actually going to have to call them and let them know. So that was box 8. So let me go ahead and save the video here.